heat transfer in physics, right, there are three different modes in which it usually happens, right? So one is radiation, then there is conduction, and there is convection. But what is very interesting is in the idea of conduction, right? So when conduction is spoken about, we see that Nyaya, right, says that there are certain heat corpuscles, right, heat particles almost, right, and they kind of move into the different the structure of the object itself, right, but they don't lead to the disintegration or the disjunction, so to say, right? So this idea is called the doctrine of Pitharapak, right, which is basically this idea that there's no disjunction per se. Now, Vaisheshika has a slightly variant kind of purview on this, a slightly different perspective, where it does talk about the disjunction of the composition, so to say, and the effect of the heat corpuscles or the heat itself on the different constituents of a certain composition. There's a different doctrine altogether, which is spoken of as Pilupaka, right? So Pitharapaka and Pilupak, which is basically the Nyaya and the Vaisheshika aspect of heat transfer.